butter chicken pizza in the shape of a heart. Look at this. Can you guess the name of this drink? Matilda cake.
This cake is inspired by that iconic 1996 movie Matilda.
The slider. So they have taken inspiration from the names of web series. This one is called Money Heist. The stuffing inside is smoked chicken with peri peri sauce. Strawberry chocolate jars are trending all over social media. So today we decided to try one of the most talked about versions in the city. We are at 0 degrees in Connaught Place and we're about to check out if their viral strawberry chocolate jar is worth the hype. So come with me.
As soon as you walk in, the vibe is lively and youthful, bright interiors, upbeat energy and a space that's perfect for hangouts and cozy dates. 0 Degrees is known for its bold flavors, quirky presentations and trend-driven and massive menu. Burgers, pizzas, sliders, shakes and over-the-top desserts, everything designed to look as good as it tastes.
We are finally trying the viral strawberry chocolate jar. So this is from their winter menu, Matilda cake. This is also from their winter special menu, butter chicken pizza in the shape of a heart. This is the slider which comes in 3 pieces of bite-sized burgers served with some potato chips. So they have taken inspiration from the names of web series and this one is called Money Heist. Look at this. Can you guess the name of this drink? Freak shake. It has got brownies, then cream, then ice cream. Let's first start with the pizza. It comes in 4 slices loaded with cheese and I could see some capsicum, some onion. The slider. Oh, these are these 3 burgers. The stuffing inside is smoked chicken with peri peri sauce. And I could see some cheese, some veggies. And this comes with 3 different buns. As you can see, this one is the normal bun. This is a little greenish because they've added palak in the bun. And this one, I think they've used beetroot to get that reddish color. It's so cheesy. My ice cream is melting, so I'll have to definitely try this freak shake. So it comes with this, as you can see, this brownie, then some cream on top. There is this ice cream as well. The shake is very thick. I could feel the chunks of the brownie. This drink is crazy. Now we're gonna try the star dish of our menu today. So this is the strawberry chocolate jar.
This is that viral combo everyone's obsessed with. Layers of rich chocolate and fresh strawberries. It's indulgent but not too heavy.
Another item from their winter menu is this Matilda cake.
If you've seen the 1996 movie Matilda, you already know the reference. This cake is inspired by that iconic cake scene and that's exactly why it's trending everywhere right now. It's a rich, indulgent chocolate cake with a moist, fudgy texture, generously topped with glossy chocolate frosting. It's super chocolatey, soft and indulgent.
Did the desserts actually live up to the hype? Absolutely yes. So if you're in Connaught Place and looking to try food that actually tastes as good as it looks, then you should definitely visit 0 Degrees. That's all for this video, and if you found this interesting, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to Times Foodie. Bye!